President Reagan did sign the sweeping new Immigration Reform Act today. He said it protects the sacred possession of American citizenship. Millions of illegal aliens will be eligible for amnesty and will be able to apply for legal residency status, no questions asked. But no such bright futures for other aliens, ones who arrived after the cutoff date. CBS News correspondent David Dow tells us the new law increases the chances that they'll lose their reason for being here, their jobs.
The lines form before dawn at many offices of the Immigration and Naturalization Service. That's business as usual. But now the INS is gearing up for more than 1 million more immigrants, candidates for amnesty like Jaime Preciado.
How many years have you been in the United States?
17 years.
That is 17 years as an illegal resident, long enough to raise an American teenager. Preciado and his wife appear to qualify for legal residence, amnesty for those who've lived here since January 1982. For the family, a happy prospect.
That way my parents are legal here and, well, maybe I'll have a better chance.
But for millions of others in this country, the new sweeping immigration law brings the prospect of uncertainty and upheaval.
Bueno, pues yo me sentiría muy mal porque
Juana may qualify for amnesty, but not her brother-in-law, who helps support her 6 children. They worry that he may lose his job and have to return to Mexico. The concern stems from the new reality that will face thousands of businesses and households after a 6-month education period, a system of warnings and eventually criminal penalties for hiring undocumented workers.
It's really remarkable. No industry seems untouched. It's hardly an individual today in Southern California that doesn't get touched by an undocumented alien in some fashion.
Millions of undocumented and millions of documents to check. David Demain already demands Social Security cards from his garment workers, but says he doesn't know how many are fraudulent.
Right now, we have no way of checking them.
Some project labor shortages and higher prices for services now performed by illegal aliens. But few experts believe the law will end altogether the use of undocumented labor. There is simply too much of it, even for a beefed-up immigration service.
I don't think it's an enforceable law. For a certain sector of business, it's going to be business as usual.
Some say the economy of the undocumented will simply be driven further underground, and many aliens will stick it out, waiting for another amnesty law someday that will place them in the lines of the hopeful. David Dow, CBS News, Los Angeles.